Hi, and welcome back to our series on becoming an AI business analyst. In this video, we're going to explore what AI is, its key concepts, and how it's changing the business analyst role. So, what is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to machines and systems designed to simulate human intelligence. This includes learning from data, reasoning through complex problems, and even decision making. There are three categories of AI that you should know about. Number one is machine learning. This is basically algorithms that learn from data to make predictions or decisions without explicit programming. Number two is natural language processing, or NLP. This is the ability of machines to understand and respond to human language. And then number three is computer vision. This is enabling systems to see and interpret images and videos, often used in facial recognition or quality control processes. These are all tools that are being used by businesses to completely transform how they operate by implementing automated tasks, uncovering patterns, and delivering actionable insights for those businesses. So how does AI enhance the business analyst role? Well, there's four big reasons or four big ways AI enhances this role. Number one is data-driven insights. AI empowers BAs to analyze large data sets quickly, uncover trends and patterns that would be very time-consuming to identify manually. So, for example, AI can help BAs predict customer churn based on transaction history, engagement factors, and other patterns. Number two is automation of repetitive tasks. AI can take over mundane tasks like data cleaning, formatting, and generating standard reports, freeing up BAs to focus on more strategic work. For example, automating sales forecasts to prioritize high impact strategies could be a way to save BAs time in order to be more strategic down the line. Number three is just really enhanced decision making. AI powered tools that offer predictive analytics can help business analysts make more informed recommendations back based on data. For example, using an AI model to really understand the impact of price changes on revenue. And then number four, real-time feedback. AI systems can provide instant insights through dashboards and alerts, ensuring timely decision making. For example, a dashboard can alert a BA to an unexpected drop in customer satisfaction scores that they can then use to have conversations with stakeholders in order to ensure that they're improving the platform in response to that customer satisfaction. So what are some AI business tools? Well, there's Tableau and Power BI. That's not necessarily an AI tool, but what companies have been doing is they'll create a data model or some kind of algorithm on the back end that'll aggregate and analyze the data. And then what they could do is take that data and drop that into a tool like Tableau or Power BI in order for the business to have some data visualization and really highlight the trends and the patterns that AI has identified in either sales, logistics, supply chain factors and trends, and it really helps the business become more effective. There's also Python and R. So historically, business analysts were not expected to really code that much. They were more of an individual working between the business and the technical team. But as we enter this more technical world, the standard of expectations for business analysts has really increased. And so now it's really important for BAs to start to get an understanding of Python or R. They're both programming languages that are extremely powerful, and they're used for building machine learning models and conducting advanced analysis. Now, I'm a big fan of Python. There's a lot of great content out there, but if you were to have to learn one of the two, I would definitely start with Python. And then another tool that BAs could use is AI platforms like Google AI, Azure AI, AWS for machine learning, or even things like ChatGPT. These are all large scale models, or they're all backed by large scale models that can do some predictive analytics work. One thing I will mention is a lot of these tools state that the use of the tool and the leverage of data within that tool causes that data to become the property of the tool. So, for example, if you drop a bunch of customer specific information into ChatGPT and it's a personal license and not a company license where you keep the data from being owned by the company, now all of a sudden your data is no longer data. So if you use any of these tools, please be careful. But there are a lot of great tools out there to at least help you along your journey. And then in terms of application of AI in business analysis, there's a bunch of different ways how AI is going to change the world. The three that really kind of come top of mind, at least from a business analyst perspective, is number one, customer segmentation. AI is going to help you AI is going to help you identify distinct customer groups based on behavior and other factors, and so you're able to really drive in deeper to understand your customer segments better. And that's going to help you create more personalized marketing strategies for them and more personalized products that's going to resonate with those customers. AI is also going to impact things like fraud detection, for example. So a BA might be on a project where machine learning models are being leveraged to be able to detect unusual activity in stuff like financial transactions, to really attempt to identify fraud, be able to act accordingly, and then reduce the impact on your customers. And then a third potential application is within the demand forecasting process for businesses. AI can be used to predict inventory needs based on historic data. And so, as a business analyst, if you're aware of that, you can work on projects that help businesses be able to predict forecasting for their products to really try and avoid overstocking the product in stores or having the product be out of stock. And these are just three examples of how AI can really help a business analyst make a bigger impact in an organization. So, how to get started as a business analyst trying to learn more about AI? Well, if you're new to AI, start small by learning the foundational skills. There's a lot of great content out there. Our company does a good job as well of just creating a lot of content. We have a lot of blog posts, and we do have more videos coming out in the future. But try to learn some of those foundational skills like data analysis and visualization. Once you're comfortable there, start to explore some of those other beginner-friendly AI courses and tools. I'm a big fan of Python. You do not need to become an expert at Python, but understanding that technology better is going to help you understand what you can build with a technical team. And so that'll help you during your requirement gathering and analysis phase. And many platforms out there offer free resources. So definitely check those out. I'll be sharing more resources in the future. And then the last thing I'll do is I'd focus on projects where AI can really add some immediate value, like automating simple reports or creating dashboards. If you're currently working as a business analyst, try and find ways that you can get IT's approval to leverage AI in your organization. Make sure you talk to your bosses. You do not want to incorporate tools that they have not been approved and have not been reviewed by your CISO, your chief cybersecurity officer. But definitely look at how you can bring it in to make you more efficient. And just one thing I want to just kind of drill down is AI, I think, is no longer optional, whether you're a business analyst or in another role. It's becoming more and more essential just so that you can compete in the marketplace. And really, by understanding and leveraging AI tools, you can better drive outcomes and stay ahead in your career. In the next video, we're going to discuss how to identify AI opportunities in your business. So be sure to meet us in this next video. Thank you.